Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Samsung Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra are expected to be launched in January next year. We on Amazon Black Friday promo this season. We offer the best price and deal. Please support us. I will leave the link in the description. We've already seen multiple regulatory listings of the smartphones. The top-end Galaxy S24 Ultra and Galaxy S24 Plus surfaced on the Geekbench benchmarking platform in October with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. Now, the US versions of the Galaxy S24 Plus and the Galaxy S24 Ultra are once again spotted on Geekbench with the same mobile chipset and slightly different model numbers. Two Samsung smartphones, believed to be the US variants of Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra, have been spotted on the Geekbench website with the model numbers SM-S926U and SM-S928B, respectively. As per the listings, an octa-core chipset codenamed Pineapple will power the phones. It has a prime CPU core clocked at 3.30 GHz, 3 cores with a clock speed of 3.15 GHz, 2 cores capped at 2.96 GHz, and 2 more cores with up to 2.27 GHz speed. The codename and CPU speeds correspond to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC. The alleged Geekbench listing of Galaxy S24 Plus shows 8 GB RAM, while the Ultra model seems to have 12 GB RAM. The Galaxy S24 Ultra scored 2,117 points on the single-core test and 6,720 points in multi-core testing. Meanwhile, the listing of Galaxy S24 Plus suggests 1,902 points in the single-core test and 3,439 in the multi-core test. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy S24 Plus models have earlier appeared on the Geekbench website with model numbers SM-S928U and SM-S926U, respectively. The Galaxy S24 series is tipped to launch on January 17th. The vanilla Galaxy S24 is expected to be powered by an Exynos 2400 chipset. Samsung is expected to use a titanium frame on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, while the regular and Plus models could feature aluminum armor frame. The Galaxy S24 Ultra could be backed by a 5,000 mAh battery, while the Galaxy S24 Plus is said to house a 4,900 mAh battery. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.